You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Famous Nollywood actress Foluke Daramola humbles herself as she helps clean up Lagos, clear the drainage. Foluke Daramola set good examples for Nigerian youth. She is seen in a video she posted packing dirt out of the gutters. She captured her video. See as fans reacted to the video.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.